Good evening to all students who are in the online. Am I audible to you? Am I audible, students? Now we'll move to the further. So I hope in the previous class we started with destructor. Have you executed destructor? Everybody. Black t-shirt executed. Black t-shirt. Green. Yes. Executed. Yesterday. No, not executed. Why? Problem? Huh? What problem? Health problem. Okay. So here I'll move to the further discussion. So if you go to that next discussion, I want to go for under that. So we have index of hoops. Coming to this now. Last class we have seen about that previous class constructors, destructors also done. Relation between destructor and garbage collector. Now I am entering today what? Encapsulation and abstraction, which is a very easy, not a difficult, simple also. And don't take much time, try to understand. So how this abstraction and encapsulation is available in the Python programming, I'm going to discuss. Come in. So I'm going to start with what is encapsulation, what is abstraction, separately I want to discuss. So like class and object, how they are related, like that abstraction and encapsulation also separate, but they are related to each other. Okay, right. So see that, as I told you some small funny example in the last class. So you are coming to the class and sometimes without coming to the class, you will go to movie also. When you go to the home, your parents will ask, if the class is there today, you'll say class is there, 1.5 hours taken, and I also taken very interestingly, written it you will say. But you went somewhere, right? But are you saying that? No, what it is called? It is hidden in your brain or not? That means you are hiding certain things and you are saying something else. What that hidden properties are called? What is that hidden property which is there in your brain? You are applying some secrecy in your point of view, right? That secrecy maintaining from other programmers comes under encapsulation. Suppose you are there. In your brain, there is a pin is available. Your ATM card pin number is there or not? See, will you tell the pin number to me? Huh? You will tell or not? No? Why? I am having your ATM card. Then why you won't tell? You ask my pin number, I will tell you. You don't have my ATM card now. If I tell my pin number, will you take my money? If I tell you your pin number, will I take your money? Then will you tell your pin number to me? No. Okay. You are so confidential student. So you are hiding your pin number. You are hiding the pin number. That is called what concept here? Will you tell your name? Yes. Will you tell your native place? Yes. Will you tell your password of Gmail? No. So what to give, what not to give, you are having in your knowledge. That means programmatically, how do you give it? Programmatically, how do you give it? How do you hide your confidential data? That is done by what? Encapsulation. In other languages, we have the keyword called what? Private. We have the keyword called private. Such a private keyword is not there in which language? Python. Last class, 1 or 2 days back, I shown you the keywords in the class. In that keywords, what is not there? Private is not there. Protected is not there. Public is not there. There is no such keywords are available, right? So how we can implement it? Sir, can you show one small example now? Now I'm going to introduce the small example. Today's concept is what? How to provide the security to my data members. Security to the methods. That is my today's agenda. You know how to define a class, how to define a constructor, how to define a method, how to take the data members. for that type of features of class, how to provide the confidentiality. How do you provide the security to our data? That is our confidentiality here. So, okay, Naveen, no problem. 4 minutes late, no problem. Right? Very sincere student. I need this type of students. So 4 minutes saying that, sorry for me. These are all sincere students. These are equal to diamond only. Right. So I will write it. ACC account1.py. 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 ACC account1.py. Take this now. Class. What is the name of the class? Account. Name of the class is called account. Inside the class, I am taking one constructor. How do you take it? DEF underscore init underscore of self underscore of self. Inside the class, I am taking certain account details. Certain account details I am taking. How do you take the account details? Now I am writing self dot acno is equal to 1 2 3 4. Self dot acno is equal to 1 2 3 4. Next I am writing self dot. Now I am writing students self dot CNAME, customer name is equal to Naresh. Self dot what? Self dot I am writing something like, balance is equal to, I am writing balance is equal to something like 3.4. I am writing it. So coming to the point back, now I am going to take it. Here self dot pin is equal to what? 8989 I am taking. 8989 I am taking. Self dot B name is equal to SBI I am taking. SBI. And in this, say carefully, observe it. What details you want to hide? Account number you want to hide. PIN number you want to hide. And a balance also I want to hide. Suppose it's my requirement. Somebody asks, what is your balance? Don't tell your balance. What is your PIN number? Don't tell your balance. Account number? Don't tell. What is your name? Tell. What is your branch name? Tell. Because there are thousands of customers are there. So here I written normally like our normal class level programming. Today's agenda is how to secure my data. Okay. Save this now. What it is treated as now? File name and what module name. File name come module name. Now I am going to take up. Save this code. Go to the 6 p.m. Okay, under whoops only. Under whoops. Now I'm going to create data encapsulation and abstraction. Under that, I'm going to save this. Save it. And you can't run this program, you can't run this program, right? And the point is, this kind of class, confidential things are present here. Somebody else is creating the object of an account. Somebody else is creating an object account. Who is that? Others. Others is another program. Others. Other programmer. Others 1.py. Some other programmer is trying to create. Is trying to access your data. How he is accessing? AC is equal to what I am writing now? Account. AC is account. I am writing it. Because of this, what is happening? Object is created. When an object is creating, what it is looking for? Class name it is looking for, right? Do you have class name in this program? No. What error will come? Yesterday only I completed. Day before yesterday only I completed object. So typical candidates you are. So coming to the point of it, what error will come? Name error will come. Name error will come. Monica is saying that name error. Good. So coming to the point back, here I will come to that. You see that D colon, go to the location, KVR, Python. Now I am saying that 6 p.m. CD whoops here. There I am writing something like, data encapsulation and abstraction will come. Try to see what will happen because of that. AC created and error will come first of all here, py, others.py. What is that coming? Name error is coming. That means I have to take up, in this case, what is this says? Account is called a file name and a module name. I have to import or not? How to import? From, what is this now? Account 1, import account. What is this account 1? Is a file module name. In that module name, there is a class name is there or not? Yes. AC is equal to account of. Object is created. Object is created. Prajwala. From AC1, import AC. Shortcut ma. Why shortcut ma? Prajwala. So, today something different you are typing. Generally you used to type very well, but today shortcut. AC means account. If I write AC here, will it execute? Will it execute ma Prajwala? So daily you will say very nice, but today shortcut. Why? I don't know. So now printer. Now printer. So execute. Now say printer. What I am writing? Account number dot. What I will write it? From, come on, tell me. From AC dot what? ACNO. ACNO. Account number I am trying to fetch from other kind of data I am getting. Account holder name. Account holder name. I am getting it. What is an account holder name? What I am writing? Come on. C name. Customer name. Next I am writing what? Print. Account balance. Account balance. I am writing account balance. AC dot what I am saying? BAL. Next I am writing. Come on, fast. Account pin. Account pin I am taking. AC dot what now? Pin. Pin I am writing. Next I am writing what? Account. Come on. Account. Account holder branch name. Branch name I am saying. Branch name. Here I am writing B name. I am printing these details. Careful students. B name I will write. Now it is completely printing the data. So by this, what did you understand? Some other confidential data of one program trying to access in other programmer or not? Somebody else is trying to access your information. Is it secured or unsecured? Unsecured. So how can I prevent this unsecured data? How do you secure? Whichever you feel you want security for it, how can I secure it? So in order to provide the security to my data members of my class, we have to apply today what? Encapsulation. In other language, encapsulation is there. Abstraction is there. Classes are there. Objects are there. But in those languages, encapsulation achieved by which keyword? Private. You are saying your password to me. That is called your private things. Your PIN number is private. That's why you are not telling to me. And something you are hiding. That is nothing but what? Private you are applying. Whatever things which you don't want to disclose to others, which we call it as private. Such a private keyword is used for adopting or implementing what? Encapsulation. In Python, if you want to apply encapsulation, you have to use what? Double underscore you need to write. What you will write? Double underscore, and you will write a data member name. Double underscore, what you will write it? Double underscore, what you will write it? Method name you will write it. Method name you will write it. So, what is encapsulation? Whichever data members and methods you want to hide from other people, external users, before the data member you write a double underscore. Before the method name you write a double underscore. We can encapsulate data members and methods only, but we cannot encapsulate what? Constructor we cannot encapsulate. Encapsulation is applicable only on data members and methods only. We cannot apply for what? Constructor. So let us go back to the place. Now I will go to this place. Now start implementing that. In order to implement the encapsulation, I have to write the data member before that. What should I write it? Double underscore. And I have to write the method name before that. What should I write? Come on, go to that. Which class I have to go? Account. Would you like to give account number to everybody? No, I want to hide. Write before the data member, write what? Double underscore. Don't write this double underscore before here. Don't write. It is not comes under. It is not comes under the encapsulation mechanism. Whichever data member you are taking, write that. Now I am writing. C name, would you like to give to everybody? Yes, no issue in giving the name. Balance also don't want to give and double underscore. Pin also want to give to everybody. Now return. Under this also I want to write B name I want to give to everybody. No issue. How many things I am hiding? That means account number, balance, pin or what? Encapsulated. Spell out. And other things I am giving to others. That is called abstraction. What to give, what not to give, it is there in the hands of the programmer. Whatever you don't want to give, write double underscore before that. Whatever you want to give, don't write anything. That are called something like a public. In other languages, they are something like a public. What you are writing double underscore are called private. Easy. Save this now. Save this. Now you run this code. First error will come. What is that error? Account number error will come. Run this. Earlier we got the answer or not? Now run this code. Error. See, read out. Account object has no attribute ACNO. Nobody can believe that account number is there. Account number is there, but they are disclosing. They are not giving. They are not revealing. That means attribute error is coming. So, coming to the point of it, I will write comment number 4. Fourth line is comment. Commenting is called what there? Encapsulated. Can I access? I cannot access. I can't access. Can I access C name? Yes, you will get answer. Balance? You cannot. See the answer, students. See the answer, mom. See that account holder name, Naresh. Error is coming as no balance. Balance is there, but not disclosing. Error. Pin number also error. Pin number also error. Account object has no attribute pin. Error. Go. Again pin error. Next what? Next customer name, SBI. Customer name, branch name. That means out of these many details, see students, finally I will run my code. Out of those 5 details, 3 are hidden, 2 are given. What it indicates? Whatever you are hiding from others is called encapsulation. What you are giving is called. So this program is purely demonstrating. It is called what name? File name and module name, and it is demonstrating what concept? Encapsulation. And this concept is encapsulation. And this what you are accepting is comes under what? Data abstraction. In the data abstraction, what I am getting it? I am accessing what I am interested. I am not worrying about what is not coming. Getting my point? I am worrying about what I am able to access. I am not worrying about what I am not interested. Getting or not? So how can I hide the data members? How can I hide the data members? Make the data members are double underscore. You may have a little doubt. Sir, write here double underscore once, sir. Write here double underscore once, sir. We will check it once, sir. The doubt will come. Because you have written double underscore, na? Write here also one double underscore. Here, see that. Still error will come. Same error will come. See that error. Account as object underscore double underscore is an error. Also not possible. Are you following? So finally, it is called an error. Did you understand? So is it really useful in the class or not? We know class, but we are providing the security to my class related features. Good. This is related to what are you hiding? What are you hiding? Data members you are hiding. Similarly, go to the class. One more I want to introduce related to method I want to introduce. Account2.py. In place of that, I will call get ACC details, get ACC details, get ACC details I am taking, and I will write it here. Data members are there and methods are there. Data members I am having, method is also there. Account2.py, save it. I am showing data members here once again. Coming to the point back, here I am writing. Come to the next line. Here I am going to write it. Take this kind of thing. Go to the place. Now I am writing others. Python here. See that from others2.py, data abstraction. From account to import account. AC is equal to account of. What is the content of AC? Empty. Empty. Here there is no constructor. Empty. Already you know. Empty. Come on, how do you get the data? You want to print it on AC dot underscore underscore AC dot underscore underscore what? Dict off. See that. Execute others2.py. Others2.py. You see 2.py. It is empty. No data. No constructor is available. Now you call AC dot what? Get ACC details. Get ACC details. After that, you print as it is this type of logic, students. You call this logic as it is. Now I am writing. Here I am writing. Here I am writing. Here I am writing. ACC.ACNO, ACC.CNAME, balance, BNAME, etc. I am going to write it. Others2.py. Others2.py. Save this. Execute. See the answer now. PY. Got it. Are you getting my point? So, account number I got it. Holder name. All the details I got it. That means through the method, I am giving everything, but I want to hide it. How do you hide it? Account number, balance, and next is what? PIN. Through method I am hiding. Earlier through what I was hidden? Constructor. Through method I am hiding the data members. Save now. This is still I am hiding the data members only. Earlier I was hidden the data members through constructor. Now take care. Error will come now. See the answer now. Error. Has no attribute account number. Go to the place. I can't access it. Go to the next. Account holder name is printing. Printed. But balance is an error. Again error. Next is called PIN is an error. PIN is an error. Go to the PIN error. I am writing PIN error. Execute. I got account holder name and branch name. Getting my point? Done. That means I got it. Through method also I got it. Next example. Next example I want to go for it. Through method, data members hidden. Through constructor, data members hidden. Now I want to hide the total method itself. Total method itself I want to hide it. See that now. Go to the place. Online students. Coming to the point. Don't write this double underscore. Remove that. Remove this now. I say 3.py. Account. Today. I'll go to the other place. 3.py. 3.py. Done. 3.py. Go to others. Copy as it is. See that. Got it. Here I am saying, you see. Here you got it. You got it. Execute it. 3.py. Here also you say 3.py. You save it. I'll get the data completely. Method is coming. Data members are coming. Everything is coming. Output is coming like this. But I want to get it what? Go to the place. 3.py. Total method. I don't want to give access at all. How do you write it? Double underscore I will write it. Before the method I wrote double underscore, which is nothing but hiding this method. Once if I hide this method, you will get line number 4 itself is an error. When line number 4 error, how can I access these details? Because when 4 is not keeping the data in AC, AC is completely empty now. When it is empty, how can you expect these details? First line number 4 error you see. Line number 4 error. Account has no attribute called what? get SEC details. So error. This is comment. When it is a comment, what is the data of AC? Empty. When it is empty, no account number, no customer name, no balance, no PIN number, no B name. All errors, line number 5 to 9 errors will come. See that now? Line number, account number, error. Keep a comment here. Now I will say next. C name error. Again C name error. Next I will go to what? Balance error. Again balance error. Now I am going to take what here? PIN error. PIN error. Now I am taking PIN error. Now C name or B name also error. B name also error. Completely error. Completely error. You cannot access anything. That means if you don't want any method to be given to anybody, I can just make it as what? Method to be hidden. This is called what? Method to be hidden. It is encapsulation is done. Did you understand? From now onwards, anything starts with a double underscore and a variable name or what? Double underscore any method name. Any method name. If you take it any method name of these are called what? Method encapsulation, and next is what? Data encapsulation, and nobody can access from any of the places. Got it? So how many things you can hide, students? Two things. One is data members hidden, methods hidden. What is the symbolic notation for hiding? Double underscore variable name, double underscore method name. So no outside person can access it. This is one small protection to the data members and methods. But one thing you remember, for class level data members, for static methods, there is no question of hiding. If we hide the class level data members and then static methods and class level methods, there is no meaning. Class level methods is for what purpose? Common purpose. Static methods is for what? Universal purpose. So we should not hide it. Are you getting? Right. You are visible, but your purse is not visible. You are visible. You are not, your purse is not visible. Are you okay? Now, one more thing I just want to take up. One more thing, if you want to understand, take care. Now I am going to take up. Here I am going to write it. See, students, I written like this. I written like this. Now I am writing class double underscore I written. Class double underscore I written 4.py. Just 4.py. Because these are the various questions which are coming in front of you, students. So, coming to the point back, here I am going to take up others.py. Just try to write it 4.py here. So writing new others here, Python here, 4.py, 4.py, 4.py. For enough? Right. Now try to create it. What is happening? You just check it out. Just check it out. 4.py. Py. 4.py. What is happening? Cannot import account from where? Why error? Import error is coming. Is there any file name problem? No. But why it is not? Because you have written like that. You execute it now. You execute it now. Go to the place. Check it out. What is happening? It is done. You want to go for printing the data. You want to print the data to be done. You can print it. What is the data you have? This is the data you have. You carry this. You open that comment here. See that. Remove everything. Remove everything. And see that answer is coming. Answer is coming. But all of a sudden you are going to that. Your class itself you are making to be hidden. See that execution got an error. Cannot import from one class to another place. So this is also called what? Class level abstraction. Are you getting? So in how many levels I can do? But actually, strictly speaking, making the class as hidden is not correct. Why? Because the formula should be always open. Car preparation, for example, car modeling, that is always open. Right? So if you hide the car formula, the industry does not have the car concept at all. Understand? Class aeroplane. Aeroplane is open, but it is supposed to be secured its internal components. So class is supposed to be always free to access anywhere, but whose data members are supposed to be secured. Suppose you are there, lifelong you made by yourself as private and not coming out outside the world. Closing the door, you are inside the home only for 99 years. What will happen? You have to come out. Your purse is hidden, your password is hidden, your PIN is hidden. That is called a hidden concept. Making the class itself is hidden is there is no meaning. Understand? So suppose if anybody asks you, if I don't want to give the accessibility of my class to other program, that time it is useful to you. So double underscore class name, if we say, nobody can access this class name. So once we make the class name as double underscore, here I write one note. Here I write one note. See that once we make class name, once we make the class name preceded with what? Double underscore, then that class name can't be imported in other program. Can't be imported in other programs. Because you made it as what? Hidden. Are you understanding? This is the one. Here account class cannot be accessed into some other place. So here I will write it. You will get error. Will get error. Because account class made as what? Encapsulated. In the bracket, I will write like this. It is made. You cannot import that kind of things. Double underscore methods cannot access. Double underscore class names cannot be imported. Double underscore data members cannot be accessed. These are the main points to remember. What are the encapsulation? You got it here. What is meant by encapsulation? See, others 1, others 2, others 3 are comes under what? What to access, what not to access is done with 2 principles. What not to access is encapsulation. What to access is called abstraction. That's all. What I am seeing you is called abstraction. What is hidden from me is called what? Encapsulation. That's all. There is no confusion here. When you go to ATM center, I'm getting the money, that's all. That is called what? Abstraction. How much money is there inside that? How the machine is counting? How much code is written inside? That is totally encapsulated from you. Got it up? Now, online students, can you respond it? Are you able to get me? Are you able to understand, students? Got it. Now, can I hide the constructor or not? That is the main thing I am going to discuss. Now I am going to introduce constructor hiding also. Take care, students. I am going to introduce the constructor hiding also. Account 5.py. Data member, not hiding. Method data member, not hiding. Like this. Tell me. Constructor. Observe the constructor structure. Name underscore init underscore of self. Getting ma? Underscore init underscore of what? Self. This is the constructor. Go to save this code .5.py. Now I am going to take up others here, Python. There I am writing from, I am writing it. Go to the, now I am writing, I'll paste it. Others, what is that now? 5.py, account 5, import account, create an object of account. What is happening because of that? It is going to be happening and it is created the custom constructor or not? And print the data. Print the data. How you can print the data? As I told you in the class, one small example I will bring it. This is a one. Take care. See that very serious example. This is why constructor is not possible to hide it. Take care. Now others py. Object is created. Constructor is calling. Execute. Execute. Py. Others py. Got the data. Now I am going to say, go to account 5. I want to hide the constructor. Previously I was hidden already what? Method I made it hidden, right? Today I want to make it hide what? Constructor. What should I write it? Tell me. Tell me. If I want to hide, you need to write what I said, double underscore. Now, before that, what should I write it? Say, double underscore. Already, what is there? Is it hiding? No, because it was created or not. Account object is created. Account object is created. Means when an account object is created, default constructor calling or not? Default constructor is calling, executed. That means it was designed in such a way that constructor is calling. Now, today, I want to make it to hide. What student will think is, what some of the people will think is, any double underscore is there, you write double underscore again, that will be hidden, they will try to say. That is a blunder. Already double underscore is having some meaning. They made us constructor and you are writing extra what? 2 double underscore along with 2 double underscore. Before the init, how many double underscores are there? 4. That time, it is not acting as a constructor. It is acting as method name. Constructor is not hidden here. Go to that, save it. I go to this, error will come. Account number, name, balance, error. Why? It is trying to call which constructor? Default constructor. Do you have default constructor here? No. You assumed that you made double underscore before the init. It was you are thinking that constructor is hidden. Not possible at all. You execute it now. You execute it now. See the answer now. See, no account number, no balance, nothing is available. Are you following me? Hence, this is indicated as what? Method. Sir, how can you just saying that it is a method? Now I am writing. Come on, call. AC dot double underscore init double underscore of. It is acting as a method call. This is called method call. See, what is this? Answer is coming or not? Answer is coming. Following up, method call. Can I hide the constructor? Can I hide the constructor? No. You are saying yes. Can I hide the constructor? No. If I write a double underscore before existing double underscore, it is becoming what? Method. Now my question is, can I hide this method? No. Can I hide this method? See, is my method is hidden or not? Yes. Today, this is a method or not? Before 4 double underscores, I will write again what? 2 double underscore. Is this 4 double underscore init method hidden or not? Yes or no? So, no. Answer says no. Execute it. Error will come. What error? You are calling 4 double underscore, but there is a 6 double underscore. See the error? Account object has no 4 underscore init method. Did you mean 6 double underscore init? That means once there is already double underscore, if you write again double underscore, 6 double underscores if you write, which is not hidden. Freshly, if you write double underscore, then only it is hidden. Is it possible to understand? Go there. Now I am writing. Again, you have to call it what? 2 more double underscores I am writing. Then the answer will come like this. Are you getting my point or not? This is the scenario of proving that one cannot hide the constructor. One cannot apply the encapsulation concept on constructor. Is it okay? So are you getting the clarity on that? Class and object is meant for what you done, and to provide the security to my data members of my object methods, I'll apply what? Encapsulation. A small documentation we can apply. Is Naresh is asking. Can't apply. Okay, he's saying the concept. Can't apply the encapsulation on where? Constructor. Go to the oops. I'll go to that place. I'll bring the notes. I'll bring the notes here and I'll paste it here. So go to the place. Now I'm going to say oops. Now I'll say encapsulation and abstraction. Now I will go for these notes. So here, there I will write it. Inside of it, I'll write it. Please watch this carefully and try to read out. Come on, students. What is the encapsulation? Easily you will understand. The process of hiding the confidential information or data or methods from external programmers or end users is called data encapsulation. The purpose of encapsulation concept is that to hide the confidential information or features of class. What features? Data members and methods. Data encapsulation can be applied in two levels. They are at a data member level, at a methods level. Come on. To implement data encapsulation in Python programming, the data members and methods must be preceded with double underscore syntax number 1, data member level. Syntax number 1 also data member level. Why? One is through class name, through method name. One is through class name, through constructor name. Through method name, data members hidden. Through constructor, data members hidden. Syntax number 2, method level, class name, underscore, underscore, method name, written. Got it up? Now coming to the abstraction, easy. What is the abstraction says? The process of retrieving or extracting essential details. What is given you access without considering the hidden details is called data abstraction. Getting or not? Note, we can't apply data encapsulation on constructors in Python, but whose initialized data members can be encapsulated. Constructor you cannot encapsulate, but you can encapsulate what? Data members. Got it? Are you understanding the abstraction? Abstraction means retrieving what you need without considering about what? What is hidden. That is called what? Abstraction and encapsulation. I hope you got it. What you are saying to others is called what? Abstraction. What you are hiding from others is called encapsulation. I think it is clear for you. So if I come to my concept here, encapsulation importance and implementing encapsulation in abstraction in Python, and whose examples you have seen it. Got it up? So I want to tell you last example, one more. Last example I want to take up. See students, now I'll go to the last example part. I'm going to take it. Very easy students. Now I am taking last example. But where can I access these details? Where can I access these details? These details anyhow in other program we are not accessing. But where can I access? Same program. How do I access it? Now I am asking. Look at now. Account. Now I am saying same account. Same account dot what? Py. Say that account only. Come to the point back. Here I am writing. Here I am getting. What is this? Same customer. Same customer of what? Self. Same customer. Self. That means you are going to ATM center anywhere else in the world and you will enter your PIN number or not. That PIN number is there in your object only. Understand? Now print now customer details. Current customer details. Current customer details. Customer details. I am printing. Print. How do you print the customer details now? I am printing customer details. Printing the customer details means what? He can access by himself. He can access by himself. That is my point here. So see students. Now I am going to same conclusion I am giving. See students, how I am going to get it? Come on. Say now, print of, tell me. Come on, students. Account number, colon, dot format of self dot ACNO. Self dot ACNO. I'll write it next. I'll write it next. What I'll write it? Account holder name. Anyhow, you can access it. Account holder name. Right written. What I am writing now? C name. Next I am writing print of. Writing here. Account balance. Account balance I am going to write it. Account balance I am saying now. I am writing here. Tell me, ma. B name a balance. So BAL. So balance I am writing. So next I am writing account. What next? PIN. I am saying that PIN I am writing. See here. PIN I am saying. Well, next I am writing branch name. Account branch name. Account branch name I am saying. What should I write it now? B name. Okay. Come on to the point back. You are going to enter into the main program. What object you are creating? A is equal to, AO is equal to, what is this? Account of AO dot, what is my function name? Same account. Because of that, what is happening? Constructor is calling. Object creation, see students, object creation calls what? Calls which constructor, ma? Default constructor. Calls default constructor. Same customer. See that? Same customer. It goes to the same customer. And you are thinking, output will come or not? Yes. Online students. Now, execute same account dot py. Save this. Done. Execute this. See students. Py. Error. Error is coming. Same account also error is coming. So, that time you should be careful enough, students. You have to write double underscore. This is a very, very important. In the same place, you have to write what? Double underscore. See that? What is coming? Account number is coming. Name is coming. What is not coming? Balance is not coming. Balance. What is happening? Underscore balance will come. Balance also will come. You see. What is not coming? PIN will not come. Go. I am writing underscore PIN. See, my dear students. Here what? Everything is coming. See carefully. In the same class when you are accessing, you have to carry forward the same details or not? Yes. Suppose I am writing this is underscore here. What is happening? You see here. Account object has no attribute. How do you call it? So like this you need to call it. Got it. Here also we are getting double underscore of, you are getting it. That method also completely hidden. These points is still I am writing like this because anyhow you are supposed to access it. If you write it still like that, you are getting an error. Once you are accessing something, you should not prevent completely under dark. So you have to write wherever you are giving it, at least one is open so that you can access that information. Withdraw the money is a open method. You are entering inside and you are getting the money where some details are confidential or not. And if we make that method as like this, don't try to call like this. Or one more thing, DEF, show something. For example, I am writing it just for a minute. Self dot. Suppose you want to make that method like that. You write it. Self, you test like this. Dot. Underscore what? What you will do? Like that you write it. And inside of it, what you will write it? Show you write it. Just testing. So coming to the point back. did you mean underscore account or something is coming? So it is also asking something like this. So self means what? Our current class method. Our current class method. So this also, once the method is hidden, you cannot call from anywhere else. So if you are interested, you can call one small attempt. It is suggesting now, I can write it. We will check it out. We'll check it out. So here, account is not defined. Did you mean account? I'll write it. Yeah, account. See that. So here it is coming. What is happening? So many underscores. Write it. See that. It is also giving one thing. Okay, no issue. I will write here self. Now you'll get the answer. Now you got the answer. But this much of story is there. If you just only listen the class and if you try to sleepy faces and all those things, you will not get it. You have to work 24 hours on this. So, are you able to follow? What students? Got it. So, from here, you are calling like this. Suppose you made like this. You made like this. How you are doing? What you are doing? You can call it. You close this object. You say what? Account dot. What is this now? Underscore underscore. Password. Self. So, still, this is an error is coming. That means, once you say this method, you cannot call from any of the other places. In the same context only, you can call it. Got it up? So, you should be careful enough. You remove this and create an object of it. Create an object of it. You have to call with what? AO dot what? Show. So, I called the method. I called like this. So, how I am calling? Class name dot double underscore customer of self. Self indicates what? Instance method. This is a way to call what? Which approach? Calling hidden method from another method. Okay, now? And behind this open method, you are calling some type of what? Hidden method you are calling. Getting my point? So, this is what? In the same account, how you are calling it. I shown you. In other places, how you called, I shown you. In the current class also, how you call it, I said. This is comes under encapsulation and abstraction. Now I want to go for one small program I want to cover, that is called pickling and unpickling example. Through whoops, I want to go for it. Right? Open the notes. Open the notes, all of you. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will accept student number, comma, student name, and marks, and save those details, in a file. Save those details in a file. Save those details in a file by using classes and objects. By using classes and objects. With pickling operation. Pickling operation. With the pickling operation. With the pickling operation. Next, one more. There is a program A, program B. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will read student records. Which will read student records. Which will read student records from the file. from the file, which will read student records from the file and display by using classes and objects. By using classes and objects. With unpickling operation. With unpickling operation. I don't know whether you are remembering pickling or unpickling, but I am remembering. So you are under relax, I understand, because Sir is remembering, we need not remember. He will write the code and he will show. Like that, right? Correct? Not like that. Let us start. Earlier I used pickling, unpickling, dump function, load function, pickle module, steps, all those things, you know. Remembered everything? Not remembering. Remembered or not remembering or partially remembering? Huh? Option A, remembering. Option B, not remembering. Option C, partially remembering. Option D, not at all remembering. No mogmatums here. Option D, who is that? Good. Who is that? Correct. Mango bite chocolate I will give you. Who is that? Okay. Aniket is saying partially remembering. Okay. Okay. Aniket saying fully remembering. Monica is saying that partially remembering. Okay. So it's a God-given gift. Forgetting is also God-given gift, you know. Actually, forgetting forgetting is a God-given gift. Suppose, for example, yesterday yourself and your friend fight and a very big fighting is happened. That day you felt very much disappointed. Next day, 90% remembering, 10% forget. After 1 week, not at all remembering. After 20 days, not at all remembering. Relaxing and doing your job. Suppose something hit your hand. On that day, much pain is there. The days are passing. One day, no pain. How it is? Forgetting. But that forgetting is giving a drawback to your studies. That gift given a side effect to your memory. Forget a subject also you are forgetting. That is the main problem. Correct? Correct now? So I said that's why in order to not to forget, you need to read daily. Okay, now that's my advice. Okay, any of students? You will go on listening what sir will say because you don't have any work. You will go on saying what you know. He will teach only Python. Will come to home, institute, teaching Python, not knowing what is happening in Amirpet, what is happening in international airport, CMO office, PMO office. What is the need of that? What is the need? You have best career or not? That is you need to see. Correct or not? Are you participating in elections to know all these things? No. You need to govern by yourself, good in studies. Okay. Any of students come to the point? What should I do? Earlier I used a list. Earlier I used what? List. List dot append, I said. Today I don't want to take list. I'll take my own class. I'll take my own class. See, student.py is called file name. Py, file name and file name. And what? Module name. What is the class name I am taking, students? Class student. Class student I am taking. See, students, what I am doing? DEF underscore init underscore of self, comma, SNO, comma, SName, comma, marks. Where I am using, you will come to know. Self dot SNO is equal to SNO. Self dot SName is equal to SName. Self dot what you know, marks. Self dot marks. Self dot marks is equal to what you know, marks. That means wherever you create the student object, I will initialize the data in student object, not in list object. I will use what object? Student object I will use. That is my customized operation I am taking. Okay. Def. One function I will take it, student. Display STUD data. Why I am using, you don't worry. Why I am using, you don't worry. I am saying that something like this. \t. \t. Dot format of self.SNO, self.SName, self.what marks. I am taking self.marks. That's all. Why I am using this method? After a few minutes, you will come across. Save this. This is comes under save it. Where I am saving this part, students, under classes, I will save it because I am using classes and object. Okay, you can save it into encapsulation also, no issue. But I am saving in the classes. Okay, now? Right, student. Saved it. Next, what I want to do? My class is ready. I don't use list class. I'll use what? Student class. Why? Predefined class is used there because we don't know that time, but we know classes today. I'll go to that. Next one, I go for others. Now I'll write a student pickling. Now, student program for saving the records of saving the details of whom student in which file, student file, student pick file, student pick file. What is my file name I am taking? Student pick. Come on, class. What is the class name? That also I am doing. Student pick. Student pickle. Student pickle is my class name. Is my class name. Come on. What I will do? Import. What I am doing now? Pickle. Pickle module. What should I do? Def. Save. Which data? Student data of what? Self. I'll come to this main program. Main program. What I want. And still you are a beautiful student. If you understand me, I'll do menu driven example also. And if you are having wide scope of concentration, I will show you that. Will you follow me? Save. Now I'll write it. Menu driven, I am writing it. And if you catch me, what should I do now? What I will do there now? You are out of order, I know. With open, student pick dot py, student pick dot data, comma, AB. As what? FP. AB means what? Append binary. Pickling means you need to take binary format. Yes. What should I do now? Accept the data from the keyboard or not? Accept the student data from where? Keyboard. Now, what should I do? SNO is equal to int of input of enter student number. Enter student number. Right? Next, yes name is equal to some name. Input of enter student name. Enter student name. I said enter student name. S marks is equal to, I am writing here, marks is equal to float of enter student marks. I am saying that enter student marks. Got it. Ready. Now create what object? Create an object of what? Create an object of what? Student class. Create an object of what? Student class. Create. S is equal to student of. Student is a class. I say from where? From what is my module name? Say. Student. From student module. I say here. From student, import student. From student, import student, you will get something problem. Student is a module name, another student is a class name. If you see both of them student, you are not a student. So this is a module name, this is a class name. So student of pass SNO comma, SName comma, marks. What is this now? Object creation. Object creation makes the PVM to call what? Calls which constructor? Parameterized constructor. Parameterized constructor. That means it will go. Let me close my previous examples. All these things I'll close it. Okay. Now start. This is done. Calls the parameterized constructor. That means it will go here. It is initialized. It is initialized. Are you following? That object need to save it in where? Need to save it in where, students? I'll write something like this. This data, this part, I want to save it. What? How do you save it? Pickle dot. You almost outdated. Dump of S comma FP. You almost outdated. I know. Dump of S comma FP. Done. Because of that, I'll write what is this? Student record. Student record saved in a file. Saved in a file successfully. Successfully. Are you following? So, successfully done. This is about what? What is this called? Pickling. Saving the data. You save it. What is my file name now? Yes, same thing I will take it. Same pickle.py. Student.pickle.py. What is this now? File name and module name. Finished. Save it. I'll write menu driven. Menu driven. Right, done. Classes and object. Good, done. I'll write unpickling program. Unpickling program. I will take it. Third program I am writing. See. Once we come to the coding style, you are supposed to be unique. Program for reading the student records from file. What is the file name? Student pick dot what? Data. Student pick dot data. Come on. Student unpickle. Student unpickle. File name come module name. Student class name same I will take it. Same name I will take it. Okay. DEF. What is this now? Read. STUD. STUD records. Right? Self. Tell me. What should I do? With open. With open. What is the file name? Student. STUD. Student picker. Student pickla. Picker. Student picker dot data. Same file name to be written. Same file name to be written. Comma what? RB. R కాదు ఏం రాదు అసలు ట్రై ఇది చదివితే కదా ఎప్పుడన్నా ఎక్సెప్ట్ వాట్ ఇస్ దిస్ నౌ ఫైల్ నాట్ ఫౌండ్ ఎర్రర్ ఫైల్ నాట్ ఫౌండ్ ఎర్రర్ I say file does not exist. File does not exist. Well, now in this, what should I do? How do you write it? Pickle dot what? Load of what? FP, which will return, which is returning what? OBJ. Actually student data, that is STUD data. Of course OBJ I will write it. What is the type of OBJ? I will print it. Type of OBJ. Whichever object was pickled, same object will be unpickled. Sir, how do you test it? Can you test it once? That's what I am testing. See that here, and before that I have to test here. I have to test once. After that I'll go to menu driven. Create it. Objective created. SO is equal to student pickle of. What should I do now? So here I will write it capital S. Student pickle is my class name. I said SO dot what I said? Save student data. Save student data. Done. You just try to run it once. Why I am going for testing purpose I am taking. CD classes. You see students, PY. What is my program name? Student pick.py, pickle.py. So done. What happens? Line number 11. Okay. Bracket is there. It should not be there. Enter the student number 100. Row sum. Say something like 22.22. Saved successfully. One more. 200. Some Rajesh. Say 1.11. Done. How many records? 2 records. 2 records. Enough. Go to the place. That is no more. Testing is over. I don't want to. I want to write menu driven. That is my intention. Go there. Main program I am writing. Create what object? Create what object? SO is equal to. SO dot what? Yes. How many records are there? Once you have done it, it was opened it is loading. Which record data opened? First record, row sum record. And what type it is? Student type. See that? Student dot student, you will get it. Save this code. Save this code. Yeah, this is an ultimate coding student. I know half of the students did not understand. I know that. By seeing you, I can understand what is your talent of understanding. So, what is this missing one parameter? What happens? Read student records. Pickle. Just to see. Student unpickle dot. Missing one required parameters. SO dot. What happens here? Okay. Something is missing. That bracket. Bracket. On the first law. Like this. You don't look at me. Look at on the screen. If you look at my side, bracket is not there here like this. What is that? Pickle is not defined. Import or not? Import. Pickle. See. Student dot student coming or not? Earlier it is list. Now it is student. How do you print the data, students? You see ma obj dot. What data is there in obj? I don't know. For example, since I am a developer of it. Obj dot SNO. Obj dot what? Yes name. Because already you have done now. Year, number, name, etc. What should I do? Comma. Obj dot what? Marks. You see that it is printed. It is printed. 100 rows something. First data. Second time also I want to write it. Second time also I want to write it. Second record also will come. Second record also will come. Third time I will write it. What will come? What will come? You will get error. What error? Don't know. Huh? File. చెప్పేదేదో గట్టిగా చెప్పాలి. కొద్దిగా చెప్పి కొద్దిగా అట్లా చెప్పకూడదు. దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ కాలేజ్ వైవా. EOF error. EOF error. EOF error. See that. EOF error ran out of output. These are all I explained. I will show you where I explained it. That's why reading is mandatory. It's your asset. Even in your purse, you don't have the money. If you know the subject, you'll get the money within seconds. Even after explaining, if you don't remember, we can't do anything about your performance. How do you write now? Come on. While true, suppose if I have 100 records are there, every time I don't say load. I'll write what now? Obj is equal to pickle dot what? Load of FP. Say what now? OBJ. Don't write it. OBJ dot. What is my function name? What is my function name? Display data. Display data, printing my data, formatting perfectly or not. Instead of writing obj.number, obj.name and everything, I'll write that. See that still EOF error will come. I got the data, but I got which error? How I was written? I already wrote this code in the class. See that you almost forget that. What is that now? Except what is this now? EOF error. EOF error. F capital. EOF error. EOF error. Say what? Break. And before that, I'll write it. What? Some line I will write it to see the perfect output. In the ending also I will write it. I wrote it. Execute it. Video on. Why that video is on? Testing out. So data is like this. Following. This I want to do with menu driven. I'll remove this main program out. See this now? Main program I will go. After all of you understand? One is called my own class object pickling, my own class object unpickling. I'll go to the main program. See how important it is. I'll go to this place. Here I am writing. What is this now? I am writing student pickle menu, pick menu dot what? Py. There I am writing def. What is this? Menu. This also I want with respect to what? Classes. Menu. Capital menu. M menu. Def menu. Small. Self. There I am writing. There I will write it. What is it? Print of something like this I will take. I written that. Here I am writing. What is it? What is it? I am taking. Print of what I am doing? \t. Student operations. There I am taking. Print of what? \t. One for what? Pickle operation. One more is what? Next is called \t. Student pickle operation. Second is called what? Student unpickle operation. Unpickle operation. Right? Pickle operation, unpickle operation. Next is called what you know? I will write it. Third. What is the third? Exit. I will say. Are you following me? This is called the point. Here I am writing what? File name and module. It's almost like a case study like. So save this now. Done. Are you following, students? Now go to the main program. So I'm saying main program. What is this? Student pick, unpick, program dot py. What should I do? Create an object of which class? Menu. Create an object of menu. M is equal to what? Menu. Say what next? M dot menu. Try to say. From where? What is my place? Student menu is my module name. From there, I am importing. Import what? Menu is a class. Menu is a function. Menu is an object. Menu is a function. Nameless object also you can use. What is the nameless object? M is equal to what? Menu. You can write what? Like this. Menu dot menu of. Outside student, you say menu off, menu off. What is menu off, menu off? Menu will be off. So menu off is called object. Dot menu off is called a function name. So run this code. Run this code. See students. Actually, it's such a big example. I need not to put in my index because when I'm keeping means you have to enjoy that. Done. What should I do next? Under here, enter your choice. Come on, guys. Here. CH is equal to int of input of. Enter your choice. Enter your choice. Enter your choice. Tell me if CH match case match CH case 1 pass, case 2 pass, case 3 pass means go to home now. Case 3 says what? Exit. That is print. Thanks for using this program. Thanks for using this program. Now that time I will say what? Break. Break means what? Suppose one more I will write, student. Break after 2 minutes you will understand. Case underscore I will write it. Why case underscore? Default block. Default block. Okay. Here I will write int. Yeah, int. Students, I wrote it. So there I will write it. If you enter other than 1, 2, 3, I say your selection of operation is wrong. Try in. This already you are aware of it. Try again. So try again means I have to keep this menu under while loop or not. While true, I need to write it. Beautiful. You try to adjust it. Done. And moreover, students, when you are writing this input, enter your choice, there is a chance of entering other than what? Integer. There is a chance of entering other than integer. So I will write what? Try. I say this entire thing. Under try, what should I write it? Except, what is this? Value error. Say, don't enter. Don't enter. ALNUMs, you know, ALNUM shortcut I am writing. STRs and symbols for choice. Right or not? Yes. Done. Now go to this place. In the place of here, choice 1 means what? Choice 1 means what? Pickle. Pickle means where should I go? Pickle class is there or not? I have to take this pickle module. Under that, import the pickle module, student pickle class. Call this method. Import which one? Module name. Very good. From student pickle, import student pickle. Why student pickle? Student pickle. Class name and module name, both of them are same. Under that, you write what? Create an object is equal to of. What I will do? Yes, a dot. What is my function name? What is my function name? That's all. This is not a joke to write this coding. You have to have a lot of concentration. In you also, half of the candidates are already bold. You are in restroom. Are you following? Perfectly. Good. Following perfectly means you are excellent. So, under unpickling, second option is unpickling. What is my class name? Unpickle class, unpickle program. Come on. From student unpickle, import student unpickle. Actually, to confuse you, I am writing that. Will you confuse? No, you will not. You will confuse others. You will confuse others. Right, okay. So, unpickle, sp dot what? Sp dot what? Read student records. Read student records. That's all. And see, I say here, when you say this, break, you say. Break is nothing but coming out of it or not. So this is called a main program. Try to save this. Anything else is required. So everything is there. Go to that. Try to run it, students. Yes, done. Enter your choice. 1. Enter the student number. So say some 300. So some name. So I will write it. Some name is called Richie. I said marks is called some 44.44. Now done. Student record saved in a file successfully. Next, one more. Student number 400. Name is called what? Travis. Say something like 25.67. Done. See the second 2. What is happening? Travis got it. Richie got it. Are you understanding? Earlier I entered 2 things. Now I got it. 2 more things. Enter 1 more. And say 500. And say some name. And say 1 point something like this. Like this I am entering. Done. She's 2. I got my data also. Are you getting? Like this you need to do it. This is a way to create your pickling and unpickling. Where I was already explained this example, you see, go to your place, files are there, student pick example, where is it? Student pick example, you see students, already your flashback, student number, append, pickle dot dump, flashback, your flashback. Next is called what? Unpickle program. I will show you. Unpickle program. This is the one. You see, try, etc. EOF error. Everything is done. That was in the files stage. Now we came to whoops. That whoops is nothing but what? Creating your own class. Own class creating. Own pickling model you have taken. Own up. Unpickling model. Pickling menu. And implementing this. This is called pickling operation. I hope you are understanding about our concept in this. Under whoops index, if you come, and there it was available. It is pending. Programming example related to pickling. Even I can remove pickling. I will remove. Even database also I'll remove. Why I wrote it? Because some more importance will be there in the industry. Understand? So these examples, you search in every internet of these concepts, you will not find it. Whoops concept you search in internet on Python, you will not get it. You'll get small piece by piece. 1 line class is over, 1 line object is over. Search it everywhere and you will find that. So tomorrow class, I'm going to, this is C, classes completely done, objects, constructors done, destructors done, encapsulation is done. Tomorrow, most beautiful Saturday, inheritance I am going to explain. And you will go to underground, I know that. If we go to underground, inheritance linked things are these 2. Very, very important. Don't miss the class on Saturday. Tomorrow, very important class. Don't miss it. Important concept. Thank you, students. Online students, any doubts are there? You can hold on. Where is going? Sit down. Stand up once. What is CSV file? Keep the button. CSV file. CSV file. CSV. Huh? CSV file. 6 p.m. CSV file. By seeing those many examples, you already almost you say hands up. Going out of the class is not it, but sit 2 seconds, let it enter brain data, enter into the body. Running away like jumping out of that. Sit down. Who is going? Okay. No more things. You did not answer my question. You answer, that's all. If you are a student, answer it. That's all. Bag is there, I will take that. All school days words. You answer, stand up. You'll answer. Okay, sit down. Now tomorrow class, I'm going to talk about inheritance. Now you can take your bag and you can leave. You can leave. I don't ask questions. Go. Online students, you can hold on. I'll speak to you.